Hello, good morning everybody. Bore da, croeso cynnes I chi gyd. Mae'n bleser I fod yma.
This event really represents the culmination of a programme of work that we've been doing for the past 2 years or so for the Welsh Government to help MEDA, the Commission for Tertiary Education and Research, to fulfil its duty to promote the equality of opportunity for education in Wales.
We have linked lots of different data sources around education to try and create an entire picture of tertiary education in Wales, because at the moment all the data sets are quite disparate. But largely we've found what public beliefs would probably be, that those from lower socio-economic backgrounds, those with learning disabilities and those with other disabilities are less likely to progress through the tertiary education system in Wales. When people are facing multiple aspects of deprivation around not just economic deprivation, but health deprivation, housing deprivation, and employment deprivation, that really adds up to create really stark differences.
MEDA really offers a great opportunity to tackle some of these issues in a holistic way, looking not just at one element of the tertiary system, but looking at everything and responding to the specific needs of different parts of the system. So when you're thinking about access at 16, it's not just a question of sixth form or FE colleges. We know that in Wales that's not always a choice that people are able to make, but it's also about the types of courses you access and where that leads you. And the aim isn't to get everyone into university, the aim is to get everyone into the best route for them. But the really big point that came through very strongly today was that you can't go in and make these interventions at the age of 16. Actually, by 16, a lot of people's life courses are already to a large degree determined. It's making sure that you're raising the aspirations and the achievement of young people before that, going earlier in the system and really making sure that you are tackling those inequalities where they emerge.
Community is vital, that community element of being connected, and I think we can get people through the door of colleges or unis and that, but actually if that person is still a bit disconnected, then are they going to achieve what they couldn't achieve, at school and that? And I don't think they will.
Nobody had told me what higher education was when I was 14, 15 years old growing up in Caira, in Cardiff. And I think one of the worrying things for me is that there is still this inequity in Wales. But what's positive is there's lots of good ideas here. We've heard some amazing ideas from the panel, and I think we've got an opportunity now to address that, because I wouldn't want any youngster who's growing up in Rumney, in Maesgerchen, in Ely, all around Wales, to have the same constraints, if you like, that I had when I was 14, 15. Because had it not been for one or two teachers, I wouldn't have been doing what I'm doing now, presenting on television and radio.